Now children, we are going to understand Venn diagrams. Okay, what is Venn diagram? First of all, you understand Venn diagram is the most commonly used pictorial representation of sets. Means pictorial representation means with the diagram we will understand. This idea was first developed by John Venn. So that is why after his name John Venn, the Venn diagram name given. He was an English mathematician. That is why the figures, geometrical figures used in this type of representation are called Venn diagrams. Okay, so in fact in a Venn diagram, this closed curve figure represent a set, and the interior points within the closed curve represent the elements of the set. Okay, so in a Venn diagram, this rectangle shape represented by a rectangle shape figure represented as a universal set. Okay, and all other sets under consideration by circles or ovals within the rectangles. Okay, so this rectangle shape is represented as a universal set. Clear? So whatever I taught, subset, proper subset, disjoint set, joint sets, okay, all you have to revise. Difference of two sets, A minus B, whatever I taught, just revise all and then you try this. Definitely you will understand. So first of all, look at here, first figure. Going to understand, the diagram shows two disjoint sets A and B. You know disjoint sets means? Disjoint sets means if no element is common in set A and B is called disjoint sets. Okay, जो set A और set B दोनों में कोई भी common element नहीं होने चाहिए. जैसे सी है 4, 8, 7 in set A and set B 6 and 3. Any common element? No. So this is called disjoint set. So this is the Venn diagram of two disjoint sets. Okay. Second number, the diagram shows A and B are joint or overlapping. Joint set means which is common in both the set A and B. What is common in both the set? So this part is a common part, A. A is present in A set also and A is present in B set also. So this part is known as common part. So this is called joint set, or you can say overlapping. Clear? Now see here. This is the diagram of A subset of B. A subset of B definition. What is A subset B? If any element belongs in set A is also belongs in set B. This is called A subset of B, or you can say A is the union of the B is the union of the subset A. जो एलिमेंट A में बिलोंग करता है वो B में भी होने चाहिए. Okay, revise all those topics which I taught, okay, in previous videos. See here, this is a B subset of A, means any element belongs in B set which also belongs in A set. So this is a diagram children, you need to understand. B set में जो है वो A set में भी होना चाहिए. A set में ये यहाँ पे ये एरिया होगा इसका. ठीक है, this is the A set and this is the B set. तो इसमें जो है इसमें भी होने चाहिए और इसमें जो है इसमें भी होने चाहिए. The A subset of B and B subset of A. Okay. Now shaded portion in the following figure show A union B. You all know A union B मतलब दोनों में present होने चाहिए. दोनों इधर in A, इधर in B और in both. Okay. So ये सारे portion को शेडेड करोगे मतलब ये A यूनियन B होगा. इसके 3 फिगर होंगे A यूनियन B का. ये पहला फिगर इस तरह से भी बना सकते हो. In second like this also, A union B union. Okay, both. And third figure is like this, set A and set B both shaded. So this is the A union B figure Venn diagram. Clear? Now fifth part is the shaded portion in the following figure A intersection B. Intersection means already understood, which is common in both the set. A intersection means common element in both the set. This is the set A element, this is the set B element. What is the common part children? This is the common part which is present in both the set. Clear? So in this also there are the 3 diagrams you can draw. This is also intersection figure. this is also intersection, which is common in both. Separately you can draw, but not shaded, means not common, means common. Okay, the 3 diagrams you can draw. 6 is shaded portion in the following figures A minus B. A minus B, you know, which is present in A but not present in set B. The elements present in set A which is not present in set B. So this part only you will shade, means only in set A, because this is also a part of set B. So don't shade in this part. Only elements belongs to set A, not in B. So this part you will shade. This is the A minus B. Okay, in this also 3 types of figure. Only in set A belongs element, not in set B. So like this also you can draw, or like this also you can draw. No any shaded part. Only set A belongs, not in set B. So no part is shaded here. So 3 types of diagram in this you can draw. 7th number also, shaded portion in the following figure show B minus A. B minus A is like this, with the elements which belongs in set B but not belongs in set A. So this part only you will shade, not in this part. Clear? So in this also 3 types of figure you can draw. Only set belongs in B, not in A. In this also it belongs in B, not in A. So this part is not shaded. Clear, children? Now some examples are there. You can solve this example. After that you will start exercise question. A intersection B. So first of all you will draw the diagram of A intersection B. Okay, children? So intersection B you all know. A set draw, B set draw, and intersection common part is this. Now complement find out. Complement जैसे बताया है, explain किया है कि जो इसमें है वो नहीं है होने चाहिए. Complement का मतलब क्या है? जो है वो उसका just opposite. Okay, if you are intelligent, इसका opposite you are not intelligent. This is the intersection part. तो इसका complement क्या होगा? Do not shade this part, but shade all other parts. मतलब means in all the region present, but in this part not present, because this is intersection part. Clear, children? So this figure you will draw. A intersection B complement figure like this. Okay. Now A union B. A union B already know. Shade all the parts which is belongs in A set, B set, or in both the set. So all parts you will shade. And now कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड आउट. ए यूनियन बी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? सारे में प्रेजेंट होंगे एक्सेप्ट दिस रीजन, बिकॉज दिस रीजन यू हैव शेडेड. इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट जस्ट अपोजिट. तो इस पार्ट को अनशेडेड कर दोगे लाइक दिस. दिस इज द फिगर. इट इज इजी. यू जस्ट रीड थ्रू, प्रॉपरली रीड इट. ओके. नाउ ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट विच इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन ए. सो डू नॉट शेड दिस पार्ट. ए में जो नहीं है वो होगा ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो डू नॉट शेड दिस पार्ट. ओके. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड आउट. सो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो other part don't shade. Only this part you will shade. This is A complement intersection B complement. Clear? It is easy. You will easily solve all the examples. Any doubt you can ask. Okay.